Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Creative Tool School. My name is Vincent. Today I want to show you the process of signing up to Stan Store. I'm going to sign up to Stan Store, so I'm going to walk through the process with you. Stan Store is a tool that many creators are using to sell digital products. I want to give you information about this store and tell you why I like it and why it resonates with me. A lot of entrepreneurs that I follow, my mentors like Gary Vaynerchuk, Stephen Bartlett, invested in this company. Basically, Stan Store, think of it as a digital storefront that lives at a single link like stan.store/your name. It replaces tools like Linktree that adds serious selling power. With it, you can sell digital products, services, memberships, and collect email lead. So this give you kind of independence from the main platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and etc. This tool was built from a real creator pain point. As creators or founders create things that will help or impact a lot of people or community from pain point of view or from purpose. So basically, John Hu mentioned that while he was growing followers on TikTok, he realized that he loved being his own boss, the same as me here. It resonates with me. Also learned just how difficult it was to start a creator business. There was no easy way to monetize his following, and that is why he started Stan Store. Stan is an all-in-one business in a box he wished he had when he was first starting. Stan automates all of the business stuff so you can spend time doing what you love, creating great content. So this is actually the main purpose of this store. That is the core why behind this tool. It is not just another SaaS app. It was built by someone who was in our exact shoe, player in the field in creator economy, so he knows the pain and difficulties a lot of creators are going through. So he developed this tool to help others. So this is actually the purpose. This is why it resonates with me. Trying to turn a following into a real independent business without selling out. Why this matters to me or you as a creator. Diversifying your income beyond ads and sponsorship is crucial. Stan Store is built specially to solve that problem, to let you monetize your experts directly and on your own time. It is the business in the box he wished he had. So basically, what this platform you can do here is to sell your tutorial, courses, one-on-one mentorship, wallpapers, etc. So what we want to do now is to show you the process. I'm going to sign up to Stan Store. Just go to your search bar, type stan.store, select enter. Stan Store, meet your all-in-one creator store. Stan is the easiest way to make money online. All of your courses, digital products, and bookings are now hosted within your link in bio. If you go through the mission statement, this is the founder, John Hu. Go to YouTube channel, you will see his YouTube channel as well as J Hoovy. Go back to the home page. If you already have an account, then you log in. You will see sign up on the top. The best creators use Stan. If you scroll down, transaction fee always 0%. Not just another link in bio. Stan has everything you need to run your business all in one place. So you can see courses, calendar, digital products, webinar, link, a simpler solution. No more paying for 5+ different apps. Stan brings all in one place. Mobile optimized link in the bio, calendar invites and bookings, course builder, audience analytics, Instagram auto DMs, email list/newsletter builder, social media template library, exclusive creator community access, one-on-one creator strategy coaching. Joins the Stan family, £29 a month. So start my trial, no coding required. Stan is the simplest and easiest way to get started. You can build your store in just a minute. One tap checkout. Your audience shouldn't have to go through hurdle to purchase your product. Stan maximize your checkout conversion rate. Stan integrates with all third-party tools you use. Try Stan for 14 days free. So you got 14 days free. So we're going to select start my trial. So you can use this for 14 days. If you are not happy with it, you can cancel it. So you sign up stan.store, it will sign up your name. So put your details. So I'm going to use my main YouTube channel, Vinyl TV. Then you put your details, Vinyl TV. Stan store / Vinyl TV. Then you put your details, Vincent. Then put your email address. Then put your telephone number. Then create your password. Then you select next. Now the next, connect your social accounts to your store. So you put your Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. If you have more, you can also select more. So it give you option for you to select email, YouTube, and etc. Or you can skip it as well. Then you select next. Then it will show you pick your plan. Start earning today. Save $100 by choosing Stan. All in one store, easy to set up. So you have monthly option of $29 a month, and you have 14 days trial. Yearly option $300. So it depends on particular one you want, and choose yearly one. $300 divided by 12 to give you 25. But I want us to go with 29 one at the moment. And also in each of these ones, you will have 14 days free trial to check if you are happy with it. If you are not happy with it, then cancel it off. But another thing is this $29, so you have 30 days to see if you're able to sell digital product to cover the money, so but at the moment I want us to go with this $29 one. If I'm happy with it, I can also come back, change the plan to a yearly option. So at the moment we want to select monthly one. Select next. Give you option for you to put the payment plan, pay with link, or put your card details. So I'm going to put these details, then we'll go from there. So after you put your card details, then you select start your 14-day free trial. I agree to terms and conditions. Then you select start 14 days free trial. You can see the Gary V Stand Challenge. Level up your business with Gary V Stand Challenge. So you can join this Gary V Stand Challenge. Hello, Vincent. Let's get you ready to sell. Choose store theme, add product, add stamp, store setup 1/6 things you need to do. Add profile picture, choose store name, and connect to social. You can select choose theme. Choose a theme, style it away. This is night view, and this is spotlight, minimal, the Tyler, Eclipse, the chaos, material, night view, the stone, stylish, Moderna. So I'm going to select this. Then you select save. Your store theme was updated. Select OK. Now if you go to the store, we show you. We go back. You can add a product. You can add a product. Add section. You have landing page, create a landing page, drive customers to exclusive product link using a private landing page. This is hidden from your store, so you can offer it specific group of customers. So you can create a landing page here as well. Edit design. So add a product, choose product types, pick the format that best fits what you are selling, guide, course, coach, or more. Digital product, get my templates / ebook / courses now. This is example how to set up a Stan store. So we're going to add product, give the product title, subtitle, and save as a draft or publish, and also choose image. You can also preview it, and this is the button here. Select checkout page option. So these are the things. This is the product we want to sell. HP LaserJet 135 complete Wi-Fi setup guide. You choose the image, drag image here or upload the image. So we're going to select, then you go to gallery and look for the image HP LaserJet, then select use this photo. Now this image is now attached, and if you look on the product, you will see it here on top. Save as a draft. If you want to save this, come back later on, you can select save as a draft, or you select next. You can see what it looks like. This template will teach you everything you need to achieve your goal. This is the description body, so you can add information here for the description. So you paste the information, description body, then upload file, upload your digital products here. So you select upload, then you go and look for the PDF and add the PDF, select on it, click open. Now the product HP LaserJet 135 complete Wi-Fi setup guide PDF, then you select save as. So now this product is now saved. You can see it will show you as a draft. If you select the three dots, you edit the product, duplicate, make landing page, or delete. If you select edit the product, this is the product here. This is checkout page. And also you can set the price you want. So you can change the price if you like. Let's say if you want the price to be $20, example. Then you select save. Now this product is, you can see the price is now changed to $20 and is also still in the draft section. So you can see the price is now $20, but I want to put this price for $12, for example. Then select collect information. You can add this field, basic information, then name of the person and emails. So select add field, option of phone, text, multiple choice, or Dropbox. Then you put multiple choice, name, then email. Then you select required. Then you select save as. Click save as you are doing this, as you're going along, for example. And also you have option for you to add your image. So if you select the image, then it give you option for you to go and add your picture, So you can make the picture to go back or adjust it. Then you select use this photo. Okay, you can see the details here. And another thing is you can put your bio, your social, and select save. Now go back to the product, select edit product. So this is a good example how to set up Stan Store, then preview it. And this is the product here, get my guide or learn more. So this is the button, call out, get my guide, preview. Will show you everything we added. Then you select publish. Heads up, customer can't purchase from you yet. Please set up direct deposit to start selling. So you need to put your bank details or how they will pay you. Do select setup, then you go to set up direct deposit. From direct deposit, you can link up Stripe or add a PayPal account, enable market consent GDPR, then enable terms and condition, switch it on. Then it will ask you please update field with your own information. I updated the terms and condition, put my company's details and email address and stuff like that. Then the next thing is you select your store language. You can also change the language according to the language you want. My store language is selected in English. Register with Stripe to select payment or add a PayPal account. So you select add a PayPal, for instance, then it will link you for you to connect your PayPal. Select register, then you select your region, select your country, then you scroll down and look for your country to select. You select create my Stripe account. If you already have an account with Stripe, then it will link it up. Then it will ask you to put your email address. Have a Stripe account, you can use the same email address you have for Stripe account. Add your email address, then select continue. It will send you a verification code to mobile device you register with. So go to your mobile phone and add verification code, your account. So it's getting ready. Copy your saved or you create a new business, then you select continue. Continue linking your account. This action can be reversed, cancel or continue, then select continue. So it will link the account you have on Stripe. So you put your bank details, sort code, account number, then confirm the account number, then select continue. Then you review the information, company, business structure, location, and address. Then select agree and submit. It will show you can now accept payment and receive payout. Currency. You can scroll down to select the local currency you want, payment. So you can select pound, then select save currency, or you leave it in dollar. They can convert the payment as well, so you can be paid in dollar and convert the payment in your local currency. For example, if you want to have it currency in pound, for example, and the currency is now saved in pound, for example, you can come back and also change the currency if you like. Also have enable tax, automatically calculate and collect tax on the payment. Switch it, turn this on as well. Place where the business is located or origin to determine. So you can also add this as well. If you want to add the tax address, enable tax. You can add your tax account and address where the tax is registered. This is it. So this is how to add payment and everything in terms of adding the product. Then it will show you the product. You go back to the product. Then select publish. Saved, your product is now published. Then you select OK. This is the product here. To the stamp store. Display name, you can change it to Vinyl TV. Description of yourself, the bio, Vinyl TV, description of yourself. You can get information you have about yourself to add. Then select save. Vinyl TV, content creator, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and this is an example of the product, and it will show you your product is live. Spread the word and make your first sales. Create marketing post. So this is how to set Stand Store up. So this is Stand Store, Vinyl TV, content creator, and this is the product, HP LaserJet complete Wi-Fi setup. We will deliver this right in your inbox, and you can see the amount, £12, and PDF. You want to change the currency back to dollar. So go back to the Stand Store, select edit the product, edit product, select checkout. Then you scroll down, you can see the currency showing us in pound. If you want to change the payment, go to the settings, select settings, then go to payment. So go to payment, then change the currency to dollar. Then select save currency. So you can update the payment. The currency is now changed back to US dollar. Or go to the store and you can see the payment is now changed to dollar. We go back to the home page. So we need to complete create marketing post. Select create marketing post. One moment, I'm sorting through options. So it will give you the options. All right, I put together a killer post idea for your marketing. Take a look. Caption idea, video format, So it give you idea in terms of things you need to do. So this is how to set up your Stand store and add a product. I'm also going to be showing you tutorial about this product. I believe in Stand store. Thank you very much indeed. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel.